Introducing the Crock-Pot Cook and Carry Slow Cooker, a cooking solution that is as at home in the kitchen as it is on the road. The stylish stainless finish looks sleek and clean on any countertop, and the secure fitting lid and locking system ensures that your recipe can go wherever you go with no hassle and no mess. And the removable stoneware can go right from the counter to the dinner table. The high and low temperature settings offer cooking time flexibility for your recipes. No matter the occasion, the Crock-Pot Cook and Carry Slow Cooker is the perfect solution for today's busy, on-the-go lifestyle. Cook, carry, and go.
You've told us that you have a lot of questions about your slow cooker's digital controls, so we went right to our Crock-Pot brand team to get you all the answers. So let's take a closer look. There are actually only three main types of slow cooker digital controls: Countdown, SmartPot, and Illume touchscreen technology. In this video, we'll focus on the SmartPot slow cooker digital controls, but you can also find similar how-to videos just like this one for the Countdown and the Illume touchscreen technology slow cookers. But right now, let's get cooking and show you how to make the most of your SmartPot digital slow cooker. All SmartPot slow cookers function the same, offering preset options for cooking at 4, 6, 8, or 10 hours. To get started, fill your SmartPot slow cooker with your meal ingredients, making sure it's filled at least half to 3/4 full for optimal cooking. As soon as you plug it in, the power light will flash, indicating that the unit is plugged in, but not turned on. Select the cook time indicated by your chosen recipe, either 4 or 6 hours on high, or 8 or 10 hours on low. Once you've selected your cook time setting, the corresponding light will illuminate, indicating that the slow cooker is heating up and cooking has started.
Cook delicious meals up to 70% faster with the 6-quart Crock-Pot Express Easy Release Pressure Cooker. No need to fuss with oven mitts and kitchen utensils to keep your hand away from the hot steam. The Easy Release steam dial makes releasing pressure simple and stress-free. Create a home-cooked meal for the entire family. Choose from 13 one-touch programs for delicious meals at the touch of a button. Also enjoy convenient features such as Delay Start and the Status Bar, which tracks pressurization and preheat progress before cooking begins. Combine 8 common kitchen appliances in one. Easily prepare any recipe on the menu using one versatile appliance. For home-cooked meals, fast or slow, let Crock-Pot Express handle the pressure of mealtime.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart 3-in-1 multi-cooker, and we call it the Cook Central. It's extremely versatile. Let me show you some of the features and functions. First, we have our removable glass lid. This is tempered. You'll notice it has a high arch handle. It also stays cool when you're lifting it and moving it around. It's rimmed in steel, which is a nice accent. So I'm going to put that down for a moment. And next is our removable steaming rack. This position with the large legs at the bottom is the high position, and this is a low position. And you're just going to put that inside when you're going to do any type of steaming. I'm going to set that over here. This is your removable cooking pot. It's non-stick inside, so it's really easy to clean up. It's 6 quarts, so it's a generous size, so you can make a lot of food, especially for entertaining or for family meals. There's also some really nice little divots here, which are great for pouring out ingredients after you're done cooking. Has nice sturdy side handles, and like I said, it's removable. So when you're done cooking, if you want to, for any reason, put the leftovers right in the fridge after you cool them, it's easy to do. You just put the lid on and you're all set to go. You notice the housing is all stainless steel. It's really beautifully designed. It's easy to keep clean. And in the front here, you notice that this is the control panel. Has a really nice large window, so it's really easy to see your times and your temperatures when you're operating the slow cooker. The nice thing about the slow cooker, it has 3 fully programmable cooking functions. On the far left here, you have slow cook, and the slow cook function has 4 functions with it inside of it. So it has low slow cooking, high slow cooking temperature, has also a simmer feature, and also keep warm. Then you have your brown saute. I really like brown saute because it's great, especially when you're doing any type of braising. You don't have to use a separate pan on top of the stove. You can do it right in your slow cooker. And it's important for a lot of recipes, like the one we're going to do today, which is a lemon rosemary chicken, where you want to get a nice brown on that chicken before you actually slow cook it. Helps you develop really great flavors. The other thing is that the last function is steam, and steam can be used to steam vegetables, fish. You can even do custards in there. The nice thing about the steam function is it works up to 90 minutes. And one thing I forgot to mention on the slow cook function is that it's programmable up to 24 hours. And when you use the slow cook function, it also goes automatically to keep warm when it's done cooking after you've programmed it for the proper time. And that's really important because say you're going to be late getting home from work and you're like, oh wow, you know, I put the slow cooker on. This will automatically switch to keep warm, so you don't have to worry about it. Your food will still be nice and hot when you get home, and you can serve it right away.